If you have a complaint regarding your energy company, you must contact the company in the first instance. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time, or you're unhappy with the outcome, the Consumer Council can help. We can investigate a complaint on your behalf free of charge. We investigate complaints in the areas of electricity, gas, water, transport and postal services. We also have powers to investigate your complaint if there is no other consumer redress organisation. For example, we help investigate complaints about private car parking in Northern Ireland. The Consumer Council are here to help you get a resolution, an apology and in some cases, compensation. We also have a translation service to support you if English isn't your first language, and we are proud to be a JAM accredited organisation. Contact us by email, post or free phone on 0800 121 6022. A member of staff will be assigned to your case and will keep you informed along the way to make sure you aren't kept in the dark.